Hey everyone, Vinny here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of simple, powerful, Excel-based logistic tools that help businesses eliminate repetitive work and streamline their day-to-day operations. And we work with HVAC companies, delivery teams, electrician franchise owners, and businesses of all sizes that need accurate routing without spending their whole morning doing manual lookups. And today, I want to share the story of Rachel, who manages dispatch for a growing HVAC company. She has 23 electricians spread across 4 counties, and every morning she spends about 2 full hours looking up client addresses in Google Maps just to figure out which technician was closest to each new service call. She would flip between jobs, tab from distances into sticky notes, double check routes, and hope she accidentally didn't send someone across town for no reason. One routing mistake could cost the company on average $340 in wasted time and fuel alone during a month, and that was just the one that she caught. A simple search for match clients to nearest service provider in Excel led her to a tool that changed everything for her, and the tool was our Excel Store Locator. And from the very first time she used it, her mornings looked completely different. What used to take her 2 hours now takes under 5 minutes. With one click, she matched 87 clients to the nearest of her 23 technicians instantly and accurately. No more tabs, no more sticky notes, no more guessing. The tool uses actual Google Maps driving distances, so she knew she was assigning the right person to the right job every single time. And her company approved the one-time $97 purchase immediately. It paid for itself in fuel savings within the first week, and the improved routing ended up saving them over $1,200 every month in drive time and fuel costs alone. For Rachel, the tool didn't just save time, it gave her confidence and eliminated the stress of wondering whether she made the right call. And the best part? The Excel Store Locator is incredibly easy and simple to use. Everything happens right inside Excel. And here's how it works. First, you paste your client addresses and your technician or provider locations into the spreadsheet. The client addresses on the first sheet, and then the technicians or the installers on the second sheet. And because the tool uses Google Maps API, it is very forgiving to the type of addresses formats that you can use. Next, you click on the Calculate button. The tool connects to Google Maps in the background and starts calculating real driving distances between every client and every technician automatically. And finally, you get your matches. Excel instantly shows you the closest technician for each client based on actual driving distance, not guesswork, and the results appear right there in your sheet, ready for dispatch. Stories like Rachel's are exactly why we do what we do, and we've helped over 7,000 businesses over the course of 14 years simplify their operations with tools just like this. And we're proud to have earned over 152 5-star reviews on Google from customers who trust the accuracy and simplicity of our tools. There's nothing to install, no subscription fees, no complicated setup, just Excel doing smarter work for you. And if your team spends too much time trying to match clients to their nearest service provider, give the Excel Store Locator a try. You find the link in the description, and if your business needs a custom Excel tool as well, feel free to reach out to me, Vinny, anytime at ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next time-saving Excel tool. Till next time.